It is also good sign, but 10-year yield is 1.58 and rupee is at 75. This is worrying thing. Let's look at the dollar index. It is also at 94. It is also not okay. Then let's look at the Hong Kong and Japanese market. So they are down 0.5%, and Hong Kong is more than 0.5% down. Chinese GDP data came, which is lower than expected. So China is 0.5% down, but industrial metal index is up in the China. So things are looking okay, not that bearish, not that bullish, and we are looking at a 20-30 point gap up. It is showing 18,420, 430 as a gap up. Now let's look at the chart for Nifty. Here is chart for Nifty. So I am opening 1 hour chart. So in this we can see there is a good support at this level 250, and apart from that in this level as well there is a slight support 300 to 280. Okay, so 18 to 80 is a good buying opportunity with stop loss at 18 to 40, and on the upper side as we are opening little bit upper around 400, 18,400, I still feel 18,480 will be a resistance area. So if we open around 400 or somewhere over here in this area, then market should hover in between these. So 18,480 the closing for 340 to 480. So that will be my range for today, and Nifty should hover in between this area closing and 480. Any dip towards below 360 or 340, then that can trigger a sell off till 18,200, because there is a gap we can see. Okay, but not today, but I feel this 18,200 should be achievable in coming days. That's about Nifty. Let's look at the Bank Nifty, because of today HDFC Bank, this was the level I draw on Friday. So it has broken this area and shoot up, which was expected, and I took a trade around that only with that assumption, because it is it was trading in this range, and upon breaking this it fly away, right? So let's look at what happening today. First of all, we'll take a daily view if we can find anything. No, we cannot find anything. Let's look at the weekly view. In weekly view, the support is at 38,100 to 38,000. So that should be a buying area actually, and above that Nifty already is trading. So any dip towards 38,000 is a buying opportunity. Okay, in Bank Nifty. And on upper side, this 39,500 will be a selling opportunity as per me, because of high 10-year yield and high rupee. So I still feel 39,500 is selling opportunity for target of 39,000. So Nifty Bank should hover between 39,500 to in this area. So I don't see any bigger move today, just a range bound market. Any gap up is a selling opportunity, and 39,000 will be a buying opportunity. That's it from today.